Google is about to make a change that is going to make traditional SEO completely useless. This change can have a really bad effect on your D2C business and the way you make money from it. And if you're not ready for it, you're going to lose out of the competitor who is prepared for it. But don't worry, in this video, I'm about to show you how you can prepare for the future SEO, how you can increase your sales from that. The new strategy that is replacing it and the easy way you can make your business work way better as compared to the SEO. Thus, you can never deliver the results you can expect from this new strategy. But to understand the new opportunity, we have to look for the big problem that SEO always has. In 2017, it was little bit easier. All you need that create a bare one website and do not even without a blog post or anything on it, because it was way easier to reach out to the other blog post owners and just ask them to create a blog post for them in the exchange of a backlink, and you will easily get a backlinks for a business and you can stand out in the market and be on the first point on the Google. Easy peasy, right? Well, not so fast. Most businesses approach ranking on the Google as a goal itself, but does ranking on the Google or first position give you sales? Yes, it would if it was 2017, but not in 2024, because a lot of competition in the e-commerce businesses. It really became hard for the people to decide from where to buy their stuff. I will show you in a bit how you can solve your sales problem. But right now, let me tell you why when SEO was easier, why it was only a half work done for the businesses. And as time went on, more businesses started to flood the internet with lot of SEO content on it. So the backlinks got more harder and harder. It really became harder to get in the first position on the Google with the case of the backlink. Fast forward to AI and the SEO in 2024. There is a new challenging SEO, that is AI. It's like a new powerful gardening tool that is going to make our work easier with extracting some weeds on it, but accidentally it's also pull out some good plants. So unintended, with a lot of help with the AI, it's also come with lot of SEO consequences. Think up. So before we get to the way around, let's unpack the three main reasons why the AI that is really helpful for the small businesses also making the SEO really bad at this time. First, all these helpful articles they tell you to write for SEO that is meant to answer people questions. Well, AI is going to complete that work by itself. People have already started going to the straightforward to the AI and started asking questions to the chat GPT in place of grading those big blogs. And now Google is now rolling out their own AI search feature that is they're calling search generative experience, and that's just going to answer people question itself. Now consider you're a skincare brand. In the older time, whenever a skincare brand they work on the posting the blogs about their ingredient in their products until the benefit of every product, and because people know the benefit, they trust that brand and buy from that. But now AI is giving the solution, like you can use niacinamide for the dark spots on skin, and people will be so confused on where to buy this product now. The next reason is tools like ChatGPT. I know it's really helpful for you. This has made it incredibly easier for everyone to create SEO content at the scale, which means everyone is doing it, pumping out articles, fast forwarding to the internet with content like never before. It's like everyone now got the same megaphone and they're shouting out at each other and trying to make their place on it. And if you wanted to stand out, even have to speak louder than your competition. And the third way that AI is killing SEO is it is actively destroying your ability to get the backlink. If you do not know, backlinks are those links from other websites to yours, and they're really important for getting your site ranked on the Google. Just like AI is making it way too easier for everyone to write the articles and for their own blogs, the same is true for writing articles to put on others' blogs, people's blog, which was a really common way to get the backlinks in the past. You can just ask a blog, hey, can I write something for you and in exchange for the backlinks, and they will be okay for it, because at the time not everybody was creating content for it. Now with so many of the people started using AI and trying to do the same thing, it's become incredibly hard to get anyone to even respond to you, let alone agree to that you are going to create their content, because now everybody can create their own content with the help of AI. So even though backlinks are still needed to rank high in the Google, getting them is becoming more harder as compared to the past time. Now, I'm not here to talk about AI and the bad stuff about it. I actually think that it's an amazing tool that is no business can afford to ignore, but it has also a lot of unintended SEO consequences that we really have to pay attention to. The new way of SEO going to look like not just in 2024 but also in the future, and that is growing your social media and being the face of your business. When I'm asking you to become the face of your business, that means I'm really asking you to create content for your business on every social media pages, no matter if it's Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, or even the YouTube. And if you are a B2C brand owner, it's really mean. Now I can show you a lot of brand who has grown big in the less time, all because of their founder got one point, that which is that people need to trust you to buy from you. Let's take the example of Midday Square. They have built $100 million startup with all those selling chocolate, because these three founders consider showing their journey and their personality on social media, and people relate with them. And the same goes with the Hush blanket. They have made their $4K into $48 million on their social media because they focus on their social media, share their story, and understand their customer need. Completely connected with their customer and ask them what they need. And there is a lot of brands just like them. If you want, I will do some case studies of these brands, how they scale their businesses and what you can learn from them. Just let me know in the comment. But for now, I just wanted to tell you that if you are a small business owner, you have this biggest opportunity to show your face, be the brand face, and earn that trust. Because trust me, those big established companies do not even have the time or ideas to share their stories and to be their brand face. But you have this opportunity right now. Also, you have to consider that those big companies has been there from the 2017 to even 2012. That means have a lot more backlinks as compared to you. You can't really beat them in compared to the SEO and the backlink. But yes, you can compete them based on the trust. People trust you and how would they define your product and their brand, and you can make much more sales from your trust as compared to those big brands. And if you're someone who think like, but Nish, I'm not a social media person, I do not know how to create content, I do not want to show my face, I just wanted to ask you one thing. Do you really wanted to lose all of the money and your dream just because you're shy? No, right? So start making content, good or bad, doesn't matter. Everybody will learn along with the time. And even with that, if you think, no, I really can't be the face of the brand, then hire a brand face. Someone who share your story, someone who can create content for you always, no matter if it's a co-founder or an influencer. And if you do not know how to find a brand face influencer for your business, just click on the link in the description, book a one-on-one call with me, and me and my team will find a perfect influencer for you who will be your brand face and create content for you. And trust me, this can be your biggest investment ever. This will not just help you to create the brand trust and the loyalty, it will also help you to rank higher on the Google. Because even Google is considering and focusing more on the video content as compared to the blog post. And whenever people search for anything, now Google start recommending the videos as compared to those blog posts. Consider that there is a lot of businesses who are focusing solely on the SEO, posting those and only posting their product photos on the social media. But how many of you are actually sharing their own story? Let me know one business that is sharing their story and being the brand face. Tell that in the comment. And if you're not able to tell even a one single brand like this, that means it's your time to be that brand. Remember that opportunity is always beyond your comfort zone. And if you get any value from this video or even a small motivation for your business to become the brand face, do consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. Meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.